Hi, this is Barbara and this is my first progress video test. And first I have to answer to some questions. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about my dad. My dad's name is Enrique. He has 52 years old and he's the best dad ever. He is originally from Puerto San Carlos, but he moved to La Paz when his brothers were at secondary school, so he was really little. My dad is the one in the middle of 9 brothers. He is the fifth one, and he always helped his mom and his dad to take care of the family. It was a really big family. And then I have to answer to this question. Do your parents know what are you doing every time? Yes, my parents do know what I'm doing, like always. Why is that? Because my mom is a very, very, very strict person and very strict mother. So I have to obey to everything she says to me. So she always knows what I'm doing, with who, when, where, and everything. And I like to feel like that. I feel protective. And I tell everybody to my mom. I think it's important. Now I have to answer to 3 questions. What do you normally do on a weekend? Well, I normally go out with my family to go to eat sushi or to the beach or to the movies. On Sundays, we like to have breakfast with my grandmother on my dad's side, and then we have dinner with my grandparents on my mom's side. It's a cool thing. What do you regularly do on a Saturday? On a Saturday, I usually go to the music school in the morning, and in the afternoon, I like to chill out with my friends or with my parents or things like that. What do you like doing the most? I love eating sushi. I love eating sushi on weekends. It's like the best thing in the world. I don't know, I'm crazy, but I love it. For this next part, I selected the words equipment and information. So, for equipment, my 3 related words are sound, because we use for parties, we use sound equipment. Soccer, like soccer equipment, we use the special tennis or the protection or something like that. And the ballet equipment, I dance ballet, so my ballet equipment are my shoes, my special shoes, my unitard, and things like that. And my 3 words related to information are the computer, because we get a lot of information from the computer. The television, because it's a massive media of information. And the newspaper. It is not as much important as the other ones, but it's a great, great, great thing of information. And finally, how strict do you think parents are in my country? In my country, I think we have 2 sides. There are the parents, like my parents, that are super strict, and then the kids are antisocial, like me. And it's the other part where parents don't give a damn where their kids are, they let it go to everywhere or things like that. And I think we need to be in the middle. We need parents who understand us and take care about us and protect us, and things that they have to give us freedom, but with respect and everything. And then I have to describe this image. In this picture, I can see a family of 4 people. integrated by the mother, who is a really cool mother. She has blonde hair and a cool striped bikini. The father is not as cool as the mother, but he has a pair of sunglasses and a white t-shirt. The son, who is the little one, he has a blue short and is playing with something in the sand. And the daughter, who has a orange thing on his head and a ponytail. They're having a lot of fun. They're chilling on the beach, and we can see the sand and the ocean in the background. I imagine they're on vacation, and I imagine they forgot the toys because the kid is playing with nothing on the sand, and it's a really sunny day. I think they're having a great time. So that's it. This is my test, and I hope you enjoy it.